Google just dropped a free AI tool that nobody's talking about, and I used to generate all of these images completely free. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be able to do the exact same thing. And I'm going to show you every single step. Alright, so guys, this is how my list screen looks like. This is the Google Flow where you're going to be going on to Google and typing it in. Google Flow, and if you create an account or if you already have a Gmail account, you can be able to use that. Otherwise, you just click on that flow, and this is how your screen will look like. I already signed up to it, so all the images is going to be onto Google Flow starting from April 1st. So once you click on that, it'll take you automatically to this project right here. All you need to do is click on new project. It's pretty straightforward, don't overthink it, and all you need to do is going to be start putting in your prompts. So this is how your tab is going to look like. If you want to keep using more new projects, you can be able to do so. For myself, we already have these prompts which I got from Claude AI. This is what I use for all my prompts. Highly recommended, especially if you put in a lot of effort onto making content. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy paste the first prompt. Once I do that, bring it right here. So there's going to be a couple of settings that you need to know. So images and videos. So the video is going to cost you some credits. We're going to go through that in a minute, but take a look at the image. So let's say if you're creating a TikTok or Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, so you're going to be picking on 9:16. And I usually try to go with 4 images at the same time for the one prompt. The reason is because it doesn't cost you any credits at all. And if you can pick in Nano Banana Pro, this is one of my favorite one. Nano Banana 2 is also really amazing too. We can go through that in a minute as well. So I'm gonna be picking on to Nano Banana Pro, and I have my prompt right here. I'm gonna be adjusting it into making up cinematic photography for the tech interior. So let's click on that. While it generates, it's going to take a couple of minutes while it loads. I do have this prompt. If you guys need this prompt, comment free below and I'll be able to send it over to you. Alright, while we're waiting on this, I'm going to skip through the video till the end. Alright, take a look at this quality right here. Amazing. It's attention to details. It's pretty amazing. Look at this one. I'm also going to be adjusting onto this right here. Alright, so if you guys want to do some changes into it, all you need to do is put a TV onto the table just to take a look at how it's going to go. It's going to take a couple of seconds to adjust it according to what you were asking for it. I'm going to while it waits, I'm going to go ahead and copy paste another prompt into my tab that I've been using. So I'm Pro, and 4 times, all you do is yes, and take a look at this. Look at the quality of it. It's amazing. Put on the TV at the same time when I ask for it. The image looks amazing. It looks so realistic. And if you look at the other prompt that I have, this is futuristic home office. Almost the same one as the first one, but let's take a look. Look at this. This is Burj Khalifa in the back, I guess. So this is Dubai. And this is exactly how it shows you onto the TV. Alright, anyways, moving on to the next one. So let's say if you want to generate any image prompt. So let's say if I want to generate this, or all pretty straightforward. All you need to do is download it. To upgrade it, you have to upscale it. You have to upgrade the account to get a 4K, but 2K is more than enough. Come on, guys, it's free, unlimited. You don't pay anything for it. So let's say if you want to generate your images. So for if I go to my account right here, it's gave me 150 AI credits every single day. So it's going to refresh it automatically, which is more than enough to generate almost 15 videos. So let's say if I click on right here, I'm going to go back, and I'm going to go right here, go on video. If you want to pick in from the same images, or if you want to download it and create your own, you can also be able to do that. In my case, I'm going to start doing the same one. So this is 80 credits. So what you can do is you can click on the light one, and all you need to do is the number of images, it should be 1, because this is going to be free account and you generate almost 15 videos. So let's go with this one, and I'm going to go over here and I want to click over here and get this. So while it does that, we're going to move on to the other one, and you can be able to see that this is my other credit. So it's already been credit been taken out because I have generated the video right here. All right, so moving on to the video. As you guys can see, it generated the video of it. It also has audio inside, and there's a CPU written down below. The quality is amazing because I haven't given it a perfect prompt. So for this video right here, what you can do is once you download it, you can automatically go to CapCut and delete that part out if you really would like. But overall, it generated amazing videos. So if this was helpful, smash that subscribe button because I drop AI tools like this every single week. And if you want 200 secret website completely free, the link is in my bio and description. I'll see you guys in the next one.